How to fix Telegram only send message to mutual contact issue. So if you want to fix Telegram only send message to your mutual contact issue, then first you need to check your internet connection. And after that, you can open up your Play Store. On your Play Store, you can search for Telegram. Once you search for Telegram, you can just simply go and update the application if you have any updates under your Telegram. Now, once you've updated, you can just go back and open up your Telegram application. Go with search and search for spam info bot. Once you've searched, now you need to tap on the spam info bot, and then you can just simply go with start, which is on the bottom. And as you can see that it says good news, no limits are currently applied to your account, you're free as a bird. So even after this, if you are not being able to fix your problem, then you can go with but I can't message non-contacts, which is on the bottom, and it is asking has your account been limited recently. Then you can just simply go with no, and it says that it is possible that you did too many similar actions at once. Such limits are temporary and will be soon removed automatically. So you just need to simply wait for a few time, and after that you can again try to send messages to mutual contacts and your problem might be fixed. Just wait for 24 hours. But if that doesn't fix, then you can just go and restart your device, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. Or you can just simply go and uninstall the Telegram application that you have right now and again install it from your App Store or your Play Store and log into your account, and that's it. So that's how you can fix your Telegram only send message to mutual contact issue. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.